wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alright, well, talking about, do you agree if government of Indonesia will shutting down cigarette company? Before I explain about what, I don't judge for every single people they must learn, they must, more or not, buying something like cigarette every shop, every supermarket, everywhere. First, I myself, I would share my experience because this topic we have been discussed 2 years ago here. At the time I was learning about this topic, before I'm gonna start to say something about my statement, do you agree or not if government of Indonesia shutting down cigarette company? First, I will share by myself. Not only I hate cigarette, but also I hate smoker. Before I'm gonna explain about what do you agree or not about smoke. After the disaster tsunami at the time, December 26, 2004 until 2005. At that time, I went out of my village, Viren, and none of my friends want to go along with me. We asked here, must get smoke, no one. At that night, I got cold because I didn't learn, I don't learn first how to get something smoke. Smoke whole week, got cigarette, and then buy every pieces for shop. Then piece by piece, I asking for my friend, share, $1 here. If you want to join us, you must. If you don't, please go away. But today, a lot of people, always say again and again, mission of government of Indonesia must be shutting down about the company of cigarette. And then, the benefit of cigarette company in Asia first is good impact for population in Asia. You know what? First, in Asia, the first one attacked in Asia from cigarette. Second, imagine that employee, almost 6.5 million employees in Asia, that company. Third, the health here, and then vaccination, contagion, insurance get from cigarette company. So, but disadvantages of the cigarette company, like Mr. said just now, every single year, almost 1,000 million people was dying because not only men, but also women, but also teenagers, and then elementary school students, and then school students, including general school, including senior high school. They know what their father doing every single day, like smoke. It's bad even including for every nation, every improvement is not good for population, including Asia or Indonesia nowadays. But I don't blame it for government of Indonesia. I don't blame it for the owner company, cigarette company. I don't blame it though. But I just always give my word for my advice, my friend. If you love smoke, please, you must come by yourself. Coming by yourself, you won't get smoke anymore, because I couldn't get friends when my friend behind me, beside me, when he got smoke behind me, you know what? Not only had cigarette, but also had smoker. Even A lot of people like to smoke or cigarette now. The point is good effect or bad effect, bad for people. If you want to have a long life, yeah, you must not have smoke anymore. If you will, the poor people, yeah, you will sickness, illness, people, something happen in your heart, lung, kidney, throat, tongue, anything, eyes, your nose, is you must stop. From this day, about cigarette smoke. Right? Spin it up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.